Cool. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Well, I think we should be good to go. Hey. Cool. Bum, 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 bum. Da 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 da. Doop doop. Cool. Just double check that it works. And it's again second time doing this live. I mean, not recording. Okay. Okay. That's good. Analytics. Cool. Think we're good. Cool. Okay. So we left it at the alignment diagram, and then I went on to search for how to generate the UI, and then I kind of stopped because it basically went there down the rabbit hole. So at this point, we should be thinking about design, right? For design. Again, we basically have two options. First, generate mobile first web design. Well, no. We have fewer options. Let's just outline them. So generate mobile first web design, generate mobile design, don't generate design, and generate code with mobile requirements. What else? What else? What is our other option? Generate code with mobile requirements. In mind, and then iterate. So overall, you could generate design. Yeah, this is design circle. So this is actually images. So generate images. It's here. Yeah. Web design, generate mobile design. And then second option is generate code with let's just generate code straight away. So given our goal is to get an app working as fast as possible and running, ideally before the weekend, before the next training. We should really take this approach with code, I think. Because in the end, if you are working on a team and it's a production product, and is a team of designers, team of developers, and you need to validate it with stakeholders, blah blah blah, then you should definitely go with design. But then if you're like working alone on something and you want to get to a working product as fast as possible, just start with code and iterate until you are happy, right? So as long as the design principles are respected and taken into account and used when generating code, I mean, we should be fine. We should be fine. Cool. So let's so we go with approach with code, right? So that's our approach. No, we just want to keep it like that, and maybe we go with this one. I'll still like it. With this approach. Point up. Cool. We're going with this approach. Cool. So what do we do with design now? We've outlined a few screens. We have dashboard. We want to start training. We want to view exercises. All of them. We want a particular exercise. We want to complete and complete training. To view the training and actually view past training. You can view it here, and then let's mark it as a separate, right? So view training. Maybe something in particular where we want to have like a separate screen. Maybe there is some media. It's okay. Cool. So we are going with the approach of generating code with mobile in mind. Also, let's do, before we do that, I think we need to put in text the requirements. So let's take a dashboard. So let's work on a prompt, right? And let's try ChatGPT 4.5 here. So actually, let's maybe do it from the app. Okay. Let's start something super simple. So create a prompt. So actually, let's do it. Sorry, I'm jumping back and forth. But let me do this. Let me start with meta prompt first. Working on a prompt for LLM to develop an app. Create me a prompt for LLM for following work. On a mobile app that has, let's include some product vision here. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. You are It's related to product. You are working on a mobile app for football trainers that are practicing football with individual players. Usually you do it coach the COSO interface has to be clear and with big buttons and accessible. To do things fast. Like you want to start an exercise fast, you want to complete it fast, give feedback fast, right? So everything should be fast. So and then I feel like I've created this. I was probably this one, right? No. Cool. Okay. Create me a simple, succinct yet clear, powerful product vision that I can use throughout my communication with LLM when working on this product. Okay, let's do this. So that's GPT 4.5. Maybe a paragraph. So that's product vision 1. Field ready app that instantly delivers exercise, tracks player habits, and captures progress. Keeping coaches focused, fast, and effective. It's amazing. I like it. But we might need to readjust it slightly, I guess. Version 1. Our app. Version 2. Cool. So I like that. Let's do the same prompt, but let's use O1 Pro mode. So I know this one will take a while. I think this is already good enough to take somewhere else. Cool. That's our product prompt. To work on a following application. What's happening here? So that's product vision. Let's do it like that. So we'll take that. Second one, we can replace it later. It's not important for now. Cool. Meta prompt, product vision. So UI requirements, right? This Apple Intelligence really gets in the way. I will use this prompt to generate a mobile application. Use modern best practices when crafting a prompt. UI, right? So, or not even UI, but rather UX. The app will have 3 large sections. Dashboard, or it's a dashboard, it's a home screen, right? So it's a home screen. What else did we say? It's not a fucking love this. Much better. Well, at least to my taste. Just like it when it's sentence align. Look, it's a much better language, right? We believe coaches deserve a simple app that helps them run training sessions. Ours has large buttons and clear layout, so you can move fast on the pitch. You can watch exercise videos, set timers, and log progress in one place. Create your own exercises or pick from a library. It's everything you need to focus on your players, not your phone. Fucking amazing. Cool, I'm pumped now. That's our product vision. So in terms of UX, we have dashboard. We said it's home screen, right? So it's home screen. That's your. This is basically the place where you end up when you open the app. Then is a trainings, right? So there's a list of exercises. How do we want to call it? Exercises. Exercises. And then, so you watch individual exercise. So you're on the home screen. You pick an exercise you want to do. You watch an exercise. Then you want to start it. What did we generate with V0? I think we generated something, right? And this is where it was generating it. Diary. So for training, we basically pick an exercise. We start an exercise, and then here is the same, which is like we're gonna redo it. I think we need only one exercises. Diary. Exercises. So I'm thinking basically when I'm a little bit stuck, we need to make a decision here. Is you can start with exercises or with trainings. So if we start with trainings, a coach is then forced every time before they do an exercise to do the training, which I'm not sure I really want that, right? Because it could be like you're at home, you have 30 minutes, and you could just kick off into your routine and do 2-3 exercises, or even if it's one exercise, and you just want to log that. So let's do exercises. And then from there, if say a coach has done or a player has worked on 5 or 10 exercises, we can group them into training. So training is not something you have. Exercises in diary, really like diary. Cool. So home screen. So job of the home screen is to show your recent trainings. View all with a link to view all trainings separate in a separate page. Use positive psychology to reinforce habit building, to have a consistent approach to training. So, I don't know, it could be dots or something, but just to show you a streak of, you are on a streak of trainings, let's say 3 times a week or 4 times a week, whatever your schedule is, right? And then this should just reinforce both the coach and the player to keep going, to continue, without any limitation. So okay, you work in a system blah, 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 blah. You are an expert. System prompt for LLM. Your ability. You're an expert AI engineer It's okay, I'm fine for now. We can come back if we want to. The app will have 3 large sections: home screen, exercises, diary. Cool. The job of the home screen is to show your recent trainings, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So we see there the history. First place you go to when you open the app. They should have related info. Show your recent. Start button to start training. We'll go to list of exercises. Button to start training. So, okay, so you tap the button, you go to a list of exercises. You pick the exercise and you continue. Okay. I love lists. Exercises. Job of the exercises screen. Exercises screen. I think we've had it here somewhere. Exercises screen is to view all of the available exercises, pick an exercise and start doing it. You should be able to watch videos of the exercise. Should be able to watch videos of the exercise before you start training, before you start it. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so I'm on the field where let's say we want to work on ball mastery today. So yeah, also exercises should be split by, should be grouped by a particular theme or a category. Ball mastery, passing, weak foot, training, finishing, physical, etc. Right? So it could be many of them. There's no specific category we go for. Particular theme or category. Ball mastery, passing, weak foot, training, finishing, physical. Perfect. Cool. When you let's say you've decided to start an exercise. There is a button to start exercise. When you start an exercise, what did you do? You start an exercise, you have the option to start timer. No, but when you do when you pick an exercise, there could be different sets and repetitions, right? So let's say it's 3 by 10. to start a timer. Stopping a timer would log an exercise set. When logging a set, you can, we started doing the exercise. He's done, I don't know, 10 passes or whatever, 10 body feints. I stop an exercise. I stop a set. So you can log repetitions. Jesus Christ. Reps that were done. Cool. When you've done few sets, you want to stop an exercise. This will log the time and sets that were done. Whew, this is interesting. So that's, I think this is fine. We will enhance this. Believe me, we will enhance this. But for now, this is fine. For diary, after completing training, you can come here and log a training by specifying start time, even retrospectively, I guess, even retrospectively. Look at training, specify start time and end time. Grouping. What notifications? Jesus. End time. Grouping. You can come here and log training by specific start time, respective and end time. Grouping exercises with sets under this training. You can add your mood. What did we say? Unhappy, regular, or unhappy. Mood, notes, let's say it's max 500 or 600 characters. Optional notes, optional photo or video. Multiple. Okay. Yep. Okay, I like it. I really, really, really like it. Let's use O1 Pro to generate it. Do we, I wonder if we need a tech stack. I think we do need a tech stack. Okay, so for tech stack, we could pick something from a system prompt I've done a while ago. Yeah, okay, let's work on the system prompt. Tech stack, right? So we've said mobile app with Expo, no backend for now, but we will design an API, I guess. No, we'll go with the product first from the experience. No backend for now. Data for course and exercises. loaded via JSON from within app storage that's distributed with the app. We might, okay, we'll skip. So let's do this. Generate me. Oh, let's use deep research for this. I really like one prompt. Let's do this. Find me a best in class tools for building a mobile app. Class open source tools, packages, etc. for building a mobile app with Expo. Actually, I just thought about this. What we could do is Emma app. So take a look at the app we've built, or still building, but working on it a while ago. And the point is that there are cursor rules that we could use. This project structure is a little bit different, so I don't really want to use this one, but we could do something. We'll combine it. So let me put it this way. Okay, I'm not sure. File structure. Hopefully it fits the screen so you could see it. Cool. This is a module. Expo versions. Oops, wrong one. This one. Here's 52039. Five 582. Packages. For UI, give me for UI components. I don't have design system, so find one. So find view and give me few options. I want it to be modular, work great for both iOS and Android, and for UI components, I don't have design systems, so find view and give me a few options. Give me options. Tech stack TypeScript, no monorepo, single repo. Let's just clarify that, right? We don't want the complexity of that for now. And we can always go mono when we have to. So this one is using a modular design with domain-driven practices. Internationalization. Okay. So we've got that. But that's not it. Yeah, we also want to do biome. Zero 33. No, sorry. No, it's not the same. Biome. .194. Okay, biome 1B test. Version of TS6. .419.3. Because fairly new. Cool. API layer. Okay, so this is more about the product itself. In this case, API routes. Yeah, cool. Let's modify it slightly. This zone is for object validation. We don't really need anything else. Feature areas, use cases should be named like this. Feature areas, business logic by functionality of feature areas. No, okay, so for now we want this. Best in class open source packages for building mobile app. When you have everything ready, craft me a prompt that I could use as part of a system prompt for working with this application. Cool. Bam, let's go. So okay, let me do it like that. So that was our product prompt. Yeah, we don't want to lose that. Let's make it large. Well, medium. This is small. This is small. Small, cool. I just it's generating, so I'm organizing things here. That's my kind of thing. I need things organized, otherwise it'll be annoying for me to work with them. So be patient. So it's product vision 3. Yeah. Cool. Let's just make a note. So that's O1 Pro. This was GPT 4.5. Okay, so this is our tech prompt. Tech stack prompt. Pum, pa, 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 pum. Cool, and the result of that is, oh my god. Cool. Actually, these are great questions. Let's answer them. The UI libraries should be simple and popular. For example, like Shad CN for web. Or Tailwind CSS. Well, I know it's a CSS library, but still there are some components. Or any other components that are headless but easy to style. For state management, use give me a few options that work great on Expo. I use MobX. Let's also do this in. Yeah. For this map, we also use MobX. Da, 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 da. Happy with it. For navigation, let's see if we're better off with default suggested. No, so there's issues with that, right? With Expo Router. So we always switch to React navigation. Yes. Yes, use React navigation for nav. For networking is unknown for now. This will be mobile offline first mobile app and no API for now. Ideally, there will be animations, but for transitions. And UI elements, but not sure about library. Suggest me a few. What are we doing here? I think let's just go with the sync storage here. In terms of must-haves, push notifications, yes, but local for now. Testing, vtest, and MSW. No auth for now. Cool. Okay. So we'll have some prompt in the end. What else can we do? This will be here, right? So this will come here. And this is meta prompt. We should specify that. We believe so. Okay, so that part is done. Product vision, UX. This is actually our system prompt. It's not meta. I've been doing metas on the left, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. Cool. So these are meta prompts, and I take pieces from here and include them into system prompt. Because product vision is from there, UX will generate now. Well, not now. I think we need. Cool. Yeah. No, that's okay. Keep thinking. Take your time, basically. Dun 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 dun. Cool. So we've got. We've got system prompt. Let's do this guy. So this is not actually deep research, so it doesn't really matter. So we could kick off this one too. Generate me a system prompt for this app as a product manager. Product vision, UX, go. So actually, what I will do is I will talk to somebody on my team when I have a list of these packages, just to make sure it's it's a good option. It's not a random things that are basically never would work together. No, I don't need a roadmap. I just need a system prompt. Cool. Meta prompt, and then UX tech stack prompt, and then so actually this is 3. So we keep the separation. And this is UX prompt. It's actually fun to stream this thing, and I don't even know if anybody would watch, but it's actually very interesting because I'm talking to myself and I get the work done, which helps me with actually completing this. Okay, so that's our UX prompt. This is the result. Yes, how do we, let's just delineate it somehow like this. Product prompt, product vision, and this will be for our UX. Cool. Come on. Come on. What's happening here? Da, 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 da. Okay, we've been live for 1 hour on Monday, 1 hour today, and we're just getting to the point of the starting to work on the code itself. So far, it's all been thinking, right? So it's thinking about the product, the features, how I will use them, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is nice. Zeustan, I think this is like a name that rings a bell. Management, okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Not sure what's the difference comparing to everything else, but it's okay. UX prompt, and this is our tech stack prompt. So it's important here. Oh no, all the results as well. It's not just that, because we also had. Ah no, I didn't include. Okay, so what we could do. Okay, meanwhile I can check a couple of things. We're still waiting. Both prompts actually. Oh, nice. Cool. Wow, lots to read through. For 8 minutes I was doing this research. Cool. System prompt. You're a senior product working on mobile app. Cool, let's review it. Just copy that, go here. Okay, we have that. Recent trainings with a link to view all. Use positives I will show you. Snap, it says start training button takes you to the list of the exercises. Yeah. Level exercise start exercise lets you time looks the reps. Stop an exercise logs your time and sets. Diary lets you log a training session with start and end time, even after the fact. Groups exercises with sets in that session. Lets you add your mode. Stay in the role of product manager, short and simple. Oh, I like that. Write in the present active voice. Stay informal, friendly, conversational. It's easy to grasp. Clear steps and direct answers. Cool. Yeah, let's try, I guess. Bum, bum. Cool, let's go with ChatGPT deep research thing. Best open source for tools. Okay, build data. Native mind. Okay, some popular component live work with native mind. Native. Oh, this is cool. I like it. Da, 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 da. Native vinyl uses style React Native components with Tailwind CSS classes. It's a styling library, a component library that works with exploit, improves developer experience. Tailwind styles natively. Vine can be. Style accessible components. Cool. Not sure about that. Okay, done by whom? For log rocket, okay. Flexible university. Use it for styling, customize. The problem is that I never used it. I'm not sure I want to use it the first time. Okay. Sheesh. Which one to pick? Also native bind. Cool. So it's hard. Let me take a note. To decide. It's called to be decided. Native bind plus what was the name? React native reusables. Or glue stack. Okay, Temangui definitely no. So picking between these two basically we're picking. Mob. Okay. Native app can. Okay, Maxpack can use any style of React Native app can use image of in MobX. Okay, cool. Okay, I think I'll have to pause because some stuff I need to work on, and that would require a call. So we'll be back either today or tomorrow.